Hi everyone, this is regarding the how to transfer file from your Genos to your USB, and then you can play as a sound in you make sure you put a compatible USB memory in your Genos, and then what you recorded in the past, you can press the song here. This is song button, and then I'll press the audio button here. Then there is a choose the file I want it. Now choose the file 19. I press the file button, and there's a two method. One is copy and one is a move. I'm going to first using the copy method. This is the copy. I pressed again. You see here, I press the 19. 19 is already, so I press the copy, and it say copy. Now look here, he is a user and the USB. I am going to press the USB here, and then I am going to press the copy here, and the file will be copied in the USB. This is the way I done the copy. There is another way is press the song, and then you come in the file and press it here, and then go choose the file you wanted. This time I'm going to choose number 20. File 20 is a song my son recorded earlier. Is a Perfect by Ed Sheeran, and I am going to press the file here, and then this time I'm going to use the move method. Move, and then here is again, look, it's a move, and then again move, and then I press the USB here, and this file is going to move here. Look, there is nothing here in the USB. File 19, it was a previously copied, and now I want to move it here. I press the move here, and this file is going to be saved here. So it is. So I am going to show you how. Now I done this one. I close the window here and close this one. So I will take my USB out. Generally, the USB is out now. Now I am going to place my USB inside my laptop, and I show USB detected. Then I go press the folder, find the USB. Trying to be quick. And we done a two method. The first one, file 19. I open the file 19. As you can see, you can play with any media player. So this is my son recorded earlier. We do the backup music.
Coming over in my direction.
So I will stop this one. This is a file 19. It was a copied, and this one moved. The file 20. The end of this video, I will reveal some more information. Please.
I found a love for me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You look found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secret, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand and be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song, our favorite word I see. Now I know I've met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
The reason I made this video, because in the past I tried to so many times to copy and paste it. What I used to do I used to press the song and then go this list. You see it comes as a down here, so close it to saving. Okay, it's coming like that, and then I go to the list. I used to go in the list and press this one here, and then press it save here. Look, press the save here, and then my USB come as in the USB here, and then I put it save folder here, save a folder here, and you put the names here. You say whatever names. I'll put a Prefect, and then I press the OK. Okay, and then file is, it is in your USB. So now we move the file from the things. We see in the computer what will be the reaction. As you see, I'll put a USB into my computer and put a file here, and I saved it as a Prefect. Now I press it for play. You see this file would not play. You see, the selected file has not been extension .pll, that is not recognized by Windows Media Player. So because if you record it this way, you would not be able to play it in your laptop or any other audio player. Perhaps it's recording as a WAV or MIDI, something like that, so I'm not sure about. But if you want to play sound, you make sure you do it in the first way. Do you know what I mean? So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please, if you like it, and subscribe to my son channel, Sam Kola. He's a starter singer, and he made background of the music you saw in the video, he made it by himself. It's not the original, you know, music playing in the background. So he made it by himself with a Genos. I hope you'll like it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.